Hello, Larry again. Today I want to show you the Mega Mobil Revolution 640, so 6 meter 40 van, or 636 really. In this case we have it based on the Ducato 2.3 140 horsepower. This is in this case the manual van, so no automatic still around. This was a car we still had in stock, which we just had built for the fair. So the Mega Revolution is a vehicle where you can have up to 5 people sleeping area, but only 4 seats. So depending on how you want to use the bed, it could be one in the front here, one bigger bed in the back, and the electric bed which you can move up and down for 2 people. So again, like all Mega Mobiles, very good insulated with the 2.5 Amaflex or Kaiflex insulation.
2.5 centimeters, yes.
And the very nice and fancy interior with this very nice upholstery in all kind of colors available. If you have seen a few Mega Mobiles, you maybe have seen that they're very often in all kind of colors. I think we have we have 4 different floor colors. We have 5 different colors for the table in this area, and about 15 for the furniture. In this case we have the light halifax with the graffito doors. Here you'll see also the new Truma CP. Then we have the Sea Marine again, where you can see the battery charge. So at the moment we're here on electricity, so this is why we have the 100%, and you can see 13.3 volt coming in. Again, this is still in Slovenian, so I have to set it to different language, which is very easy to do. Fresh and gray water tank, temperatures, and so on. All hidden behind this, so you don't really have that visible. Here we have the Alphatronics 22-inch television, which can be moved outside, and it can be also turned towards the sleeping area, so you can lay in bed and watch TV if needed. And up here we have really a big storage area. Put jackets, shoes, whatever in there. And in this specific vehicle we have the Vitrifligo Slim Tower fridge, which is really huge.
Yeah, two-way fridge.
Two-way, yeah. And like on all, we have this nice gimmick. It's
A step with
a step
with a box.
the box, so you can get inside the bed here with some additional storage and another storage here. And like an all Mega Mobil, the bloom, you call those?
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's behind the hinges, but
yeah, the bloom hinges, hinges, which is really the best you can get in the market. This is like for home kitchens, you know. This is a German manufacturer for those hinges, which is used in home kitchens. So nothing cheap from a, you know, whatever market. So
we have the bed here, and you're going to have to demonstrate it going up, so why don't I nip round the other side?
I think you, or actually let me show you the Mega Mobil patented bathroom for people who maybe haven't seen it yet. We have hidden behind this plexiglass glass door, the shower tab. So, and when you want to use the sink here, it comes out here, and the toilet. In this case, we have the normal toilet, Chemie toilet, but we also offer the Trilino toilet, which maybe someone has seen the video on the 540 Lounge where we had it, and in the 500 City also in one of our previous videos.
So that's a composting toilet, but there's this one here is a normal chemical toilet. Yes.
Normal chemical toilet. Yeah, and when you take a shower, you have that closed, and there, and then you have a nice, really big bathroom. So this is the electric bed, which I can now show you. And of course here, more storage up there, more storage up there. We are in a car here with the high roof, which means we have 2.20 meters.
There's plenty of height here, clearance. Yeah, that's very impressive. Yeah.
Yeah.
So why don't we have a look at the bed?
Let's look at the bed.
So I'll come round here, taking this bit out, and no, okay. Oh, sorry, I'm filming. Go.
So you really have this big bed here. Those come in the back there, and then you have 1.95 meters
Across.
1.91 meters, 1.78 meters.
Yeah, because it's profiled, and on the right hand side, on my right hand side I should say, your left, it's longer because on the toilet is taking a bit of space up on the other side. So that obviously is with couples, maybe one is taller than the other, then
would use that side.
Yeah.
So, and the bed you can use in every height you have it. So it doesn't have to lay on here so that you can use it. You can have it up here. Say for instance, I would say that this here is still a comfortable way to have it. Have the bikes underneath here.
Yeah.
Or in this case we have it, what I've said in the beginning of the video, the version with all the beds you can get. So you have a 1.40 meters bed here, and you have the other bed in the front, which is 80 wide. So yeah, for like I said,
really 5 people could potentially get in.
Five could fit in if the bed wouldn't need it. I mean, this is an extra, an option to order, but if someone really needs it, it can be here, and if not needed, you can easily take it out, have the mattress up here, have those boards out, and have that space. So I mean, really, in most I've sold, people really didn't have that. Usually you have 2 to 3 people traveling, and really people love this Revolution because of the option to have a motorbike in here, or their bicycles, not having to have a bicycle carrier on the back with expensive bicycles on it, or heavy bikes. I mean, you're really not able to have 2 electric bikes on the back, on the door, on a van. It's just too heavy. Unless you take out the batteries.
Yes. I mean, looking at 50 kilo, 2 times 25, and that's probably going generous. Plus the weight of the holder. It won't really work. So this is really a nice way to have the bicycles in the car, in the van. Here you have the batteries,
We have, in this case here, we have 2 AGM batteries. We have the Shout booster. You still have some space here. Up here you can also, if you don't want to get.
Yeah, we've done well done there. Those batteries in there. Yeah. And of course this opens up as it doesn't open. Sorry, I've got the wrong place. Yeah. And down here we've got the gas cupboard.
Yeah.
There you go. There's the gas cupboard.
Yeah. What I really recommend is, because usually people never have enough space, I tell them to order the underneath gas tank.
Good. Yes.
Which we have on the 500 City and on the 540 Lounge. That means you have all the space which you normally need for the bottles, especially in the smaller vehicles. It's really a mess if you lose the space, the small space on a car for the space where you have the gas bottles. So this is really space you can use better. And if you have the tank underneath, you have that free. In this case, that means the same thing. For people really who want to use it with 3-4 people, with all the stuff you take with you, it's better to have that free for some other things than gas bottles.
Yeah, I always tell people to get refillable. Yeah, because people at our age shouldn't be carrying around heavy and difficult to maneuver bottles, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Wait. So there's the... Oops.
Yep. There. Yep.
And now the mattress comes down.
You have some LED lighting here. Yeah. I think I showed that earlier.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah, and like on all the Mega Mobiles, if you close the door, that is really where you hear the insulation on those vehicles. It's really great.
Yeah, I've started doing that before I do reviews now, to make the point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we have the outside gas socket, the TV socket, and this of course for the fresh water. And if you have the gas tank underneath, you have another one here. I can show you in this vehicle. Oops. This would be
gas
here.
Yeah.
The LPG adapter, and then
Yeah.
you have the tank underneath, which I think is really good thing to have.
Yes, no, absolutely.
On the 540, of course, makes even more sense, but you never can have enough space, really.
Yeah. I need to point out this is a German LP, obviously, because we're in Germany. On my vehicle, I've got Polish and Italian, which is the same, as well as the British and Dutch, which is the same.
They come with three. They come with 3 adapters. So,
okay, so it uses a lot.
They're all adapters come with when you order the gas tank. So here we have the German one, but even in Germany, we have 2 adapters. I would say 90% will be this one, 10% is another one, which is the same like in Slovenia, which where I've been quite often, of course, because Mega Mobil is made in Slovenia. But yeah, for here we have that one, and if you go to France, you use the French adapter, and you don't have to run around with the bottles, which the German bottles you cannot switch in France. So either you have those refillable bottles, or you have the tank, which, in my opinion, makes more sense.
Yeah, I knew somebody told me, I think he's from Switzerland. He went to Germany. No, sorry, wrong way around. He was from Germany. He went to France, and he had to go back to fill his gas bottles up. I mean, ridiculous. Yeah, ridiculous for something. But he was in the Alps. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a good thing to have. Some nice and fancy things which you can of course always do. Like on this, we have the nice 18-inch Borbet wheels with all-terrain tires. which have the snowflake symbol, so you can use them all year. So in this case we have the 16-inch with the standard Continental tire, which is mostly on the vans, the van contact.
Yeah, I use the same tires all the year round.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, on this we have the 4-meter awning, and the design here on the sides. These are all, of course, just nice and fancy things to have, with those stripes and with the compass in the back here.
Yeah, I mean, Westphalia's is of course quite similar, but it looks great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Super.
Yeah. So thanks a lot, and hope to see you soon with another nice Mega Mobil from Larry's Truck Shop. See you.